5 different types of enterprise system. 1. Customer relationship management. Customer relationship management systems were developed to address the need to raise a sales department's productivity and make the management of a company's customers an effective way to increase sales. With CRM functions such as sales opportunity management, a company learns more about its customers' needs and buying behavior and combines this information with market information to enhance the quality of the company's marketing plans and sales forecast. Other attributes of the CRM systems, including the integration of this system with other systems and system access of the system. It is in and to access information from any client site or other location. Equally important, CRM supports mass email communications and automates the sales process workflow to improve employee productivity. 2. Supply chain management. A supply chain refers to the collection of people, tasks, equipment, data, and other resources required to produce and move products from a vendor to a customer. Information flows allow supply chain partners to coordinate their strategic and operational plans, as well as the day-to-day flow of goods and material through the supply chain. The physical flows include the manufacture, transport, and storage of goods or materials. Number 3. Enterprise resource planning. The enterprise resource planning system integrates software applications just as a company integrates business processes such as purchasing, finance, human resources, and inventory management. Within the ERP system, the integrated software modules such as sales, quality management, and accounts receivable communicate and share data. Each of these modules consists of multiple applications that perform the function required to execute particular end-to-end business processes. Number 4. Business intelligence or BI compromises the strategies and technologies used by enterprises for the data analysis of business information. BI technologies provide historical, current, and predictive views of business operation. Common functions of business intelligence technologies includes reporting, online analytical processing, analytics, data mining, process mining, complex event processing, business performance management, benchmarking, text mining, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. BI technologies can handle large amounts of structured and sometimes unstructured data to help identify, develop, and otherwise create new strategic business opportunities. They aim to allow for the easy interpretation of this big data, identifying new opportunities, and implementing an effective strategy based on insights can provide businesses with a competitive market advantage and long-term stability. Number 5. Knowledge management or KM. Knowledge management is the process of creating, sharing, using, and managing the knowledge and information of an organization. It refers to a multidisciplinary approach to achieving organizational objectives by making the best use of knowledge. Knowledge management efforts typically focus on organizational objectives such as improved performance, competitive advantage, innovation, the sharing of lessons learned, integration, and continuous improvement of the organization. These efforts overlap with organizational learning and may be distinguished from that by a greater focus on the management of knowledge as a strategic asset and on encouraging the sharing of knowledge. KM is an enabler of organizational learning. The 5 enterprise ERP trends are: 1. Mobile ERP. Executives and employees want real-time access to informations, regardless of where they are. It is expected that businesses will embrace mobile ERP for the reports, dashboards, and to conduct key business processes. 2. Cloud ERP. The cloud has been advancing steadily into the enterprise for some time, but many ERP users have been reluctant to place data clouds. Those reservations have gradually been evaporating, however, as the advantages of the cloud become apparent. Number 3. Social ERP. There has been much hype around social media, and important or not it is to add to ERP systems. Certainly, vendors have been quick to seize the initiative, adding social media packages to their ERP systems with much fanfare. However, some wonder if there is really much gain to be had by integrating social media with ERP. Number 4. Two-tier ERP. Enterprises once attempted to build an all-encompassing ERP system to take care of every aspect of organizational systems. However, some expensive failures have gradually brought about a change in strategy, adopting two-tier of ERP. And number 5, the Internet of Things. As more devices and products become connected to the Internet, more data can be automatically funneled into the ERP system. This gives you better oversight over things such as the supply chains, your shipping partners, and appliance performance. Harnessing this data could prove beneficial across all industries. Unfortunately, most products aren't connected to the internet, and most companies can't afford to bring this ambitious project to life. However, look to large enterprises to begin building out their Internet of Things or IoT ecosystems and leveraging ERP tools to take actions on the data created by these connections. The following are 10 ways that enterprise system can benefit the companies. 1. Store business data in a usable format. One of the most important aspects of improving the customer experience is having data stored in a way that can be easily analyzed. As the saying goes, what gets measured gets managed, and the same applies for business data. 2. Automate the customer service process for employees. Using an enterprise resource planning or ERP system can be a major benefit for companies looking to streamline their customer service experience. ERP allows businesses to automate their customer service process, which helps ensure that its employee is giving customers a consistent experience and ensuring that back office functions are as streamlined as possible. Automation saves time, which can then be used toward efforts to respond to customer requests for product information and to forecast for new products. If employees are spending less time on tracking down a customer's order, they can spend more time developing long-lasting, profitable customer relationship. Number 3, scale available resources up and down as needed. One of the lesser-known benefits of enterprise system is the ability to scale the IT capabilities of a business up or down as needed. This means that companies that need to store additional data or require access to that companies that need to store additional data or require access to additional processing power can get that excess capacity using a cloud software as a service or SaaS or an internet-based enterprise system instead of needing to invest in IT hardware. This also means that if less IT capabilities are needed for any reasons, those same services can be scaled down. These flexible solutions allow a company to control costs while continuing to meet their customers' needs. Number 4, maximize the reliability of IT infrastructure necessary for customer service. Another benefit of enterprise system is their increased reliability compared to small-scale IT solutions. This means that the system will have greater uptime and a little to no downtime, making sure IT systems are collecting data and operating properly as close to 100% of the time as possible as an essential part of the strong and consistent customer experience. Number 5, secure customer data. Over the past few years, we have seen a significantly increased number of security breaches into corporate servers. Large multinational corporations such as Home Depot, Target, Sony, and many others have seen their supposedly secure data centers breached, often at the cost of hundreds of millions or even billions of dollars. Securing customer data is not just imperative for a good customer experience, it is an essential financial priority as well. Number 6, the real-time access to information. Business environments are always changing, and that means that waiting months for data is simply no longer feasible. Having access to real-time information about a business operation is a powerful feature of enterprise systems. A high level of access to data allows leadership to assess and improve upon the company's processes far more efficiently than if they had to wait months before having actionable data. Number 7, reduce the cost of doing business. Enterprise systems ultimately reduce the cost of running a business, which means that a company will have more of its budget free to increase customer service capabilities or invest in other assets that can improve the customer experience. One example is inventory control, as keeping too much or too little inventory can have a significant effect on a business bottom line. Number 8, standardized process. One of the greatest challenges in larger enterprises is producing a consistently positive customer experience. One of the benefits that comprehensive and real-time data storage, in conjunction with the use of ERPs, provides is the ability to ensure standardization of the customer experience to a significantly greater degree than would otherwise be possible. Number 9, improve supply chain management. Enterprise system can help streamline supply chain management, in large part through the use of data about where, when, and how customers order and suppliers deliver. This again emphasizes the importance of storing business data in a usable format. Ultimately, the ability to streamline the supply chain means that products are delivered to customers more reliably and at a lower cost than would otherwise be possible. And last, the number 10, ensure regulatory compliance. Regulation has long been a reality of business, but over the past several years, regulations have become increasingly stringent and enforced. Regulations such as the Sarbanes-Oxley Act demand that investors receive a significant amount of data about a company's operations, including information about the properties, assets, and the inventory management. One of the benefits of enterprise management system is that much of the data this regulation requires can be collected through automated means. Thus, enterprise systems can be used to ensure compliance with increasingly onerous federal regulations without taking personnel away from their essential customer service functions. These are the 10 of the many ways an enterprise system can benefit a business and its customer satisfaction records. Thank you.